Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the hardware and console ready. Plug the Barracuda X USB dongle into a front USB port so the Xbox can see it immediately. Turn on the headset and controller and keep volume low while pairing to avoid loud pops. On your Xbox, sign in and open settings, then devices and connections and accessories so the controller can communicate. This step prepares the system to accept a new wireless audio device and prevents input conflicts once pairing begins. Once done with setup, put the Barracuda X into pairing mode by holding its power until the LED flashes, which makes the headset discoverable. Next, press the small pairing button on the USB dongle. Its LED should change to a steady state when they link. Make sure the controller routes chat and game audio. Go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Volume and Audio Output, and verify output to headset is set correctly. This ensures both party chat and game sound flow through the headset instead of the TV. You finish by testing both game and chat audio with an in-game sound and a quick party chat. Adjust headset and Xbox volumes for balance. Use headset controls for quick tweaks. If features like mic monitoring are missing, connect the headset to a PC and run Razer Synapse or firmware updater to ensure latest firmware. If you run into issues, replug the dongle into a different USB port, power cycle the Barracuda X, then retry pairing. This resolves most intermittent connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.